In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tab groups in Google Chrome. This is a handy skill to have, especially if your browser window is overflowing with grouped tabs that you no longer need. Whether you just want to tidy things up or start fresh, deleting tab groups is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First things first, let's start by locating your tab group on the Chrome tab bar. Typically, these groups are visually distinguished by a name or a colored label that appears on the tab bar itself. You might notice a small, colored circle or a name beside your group tabs. Once you've found it, you're ready to make some decisions. Now, go ahead and right-click on the tab group name or that colored circle. This action will bring up a context menu with a couple of different options tailored for how you want to deal with your tabs. You'll need to decide whether you want to simply ungroup the tabs or if you're ready to close them completely. If you choose to ungroup the tabs, you'll want to click on the option labeled Ungroup. Selecting this will dissolve the tab group while keeping all its individual tabs open. It's a great choice if you want to maintain access to the tabs without them being part of a specific group anymore. You might do this if your project's evolving, or you need to reorganize the tabs individually. On the other hand, if you're sure that you no longer need the entire group of tabs, you can opt to close them all at once. To do this, simply click on Close Group from the menu. This action will delete the entire group, along with all the associated tabs. This option is perfect when you're finished with a project, or if you've saved any important information from those tabs elsewhere. At this point, the choice between ungrouping and closing depends on your specific needs. Consider whether there's any information or ongoing research you'd like to retain before making your choice. And there you have it. You've successfully managed to clean up your browser window by removing unwanted tab groups in Google Chrome. It's simple actions like these that can improve your browsing efficiency and make navigating your numerous open tabs a bit less overwhelming. Remember, organizing your digital workspace every so often can really enhance your productivity and make your general online experience smoother. So, don't hesitate to manage your tab groups when you have a chance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Until next time, happy browsing.